Hello, good afternoon, everybody. This is the Igbo tutor. Wherever you are and you want to learn Igbo language free of charge in a live setting, here we are. We want to offer you this opportunity and privilege. So, every channel member, whoever is watching me right now, and you are interested in testing your knowledge of Igbo language, learning new words, new phrases, new sentences, new ideas on sentence formation, here we are. This is the Igbo tutor. Abum onye nkuzi Igbo, Maazị Okafor. Ya mere ebe ọbụla ị nọ, ị chọrọ ịnụ asụsụ Igbo, ị chọrọ ịsụ Igbo, ị chọrọ ịma ka isi eme n'ịmụ asụsụ Igbo gị, ebe a ka ị kwesịrị ịnọ n'oge dị ugbu a, bịa nso mụọ asụsụ Igbo. Asụsụ Igbo amaka, asụsụ Igbo dị ụtọ. Abụ m onye nkuzi Igbo, the Igbo tutor, Maazị Okafor. So wherever you are and you're interested in learning Igbo language on the go, free of charge, in a live setting, here we are. Teach you Igbo language free of charge. Every Saturday by this time, 2 p.m. Nigerian time, join us as we learn Igbo language together. So where are you? If you are in this class, hit the chat and say, I am here. Anom eba. That is, I am here. Anom eba. Hit that in the chat. Let's see you in the class. Let's welcome you. Let's call you by name. This is a live class. So hit the chat button and let me know you are here. Nake, Dewo, Mazin Nake. Who else is in the class? Who else is in the class? Just know, Ike, Anu, okay, you mean you are hearing. So if you are in the class now, you are hearing me loud and clear, go to the chat and hit, I'm here, Anu Meba, Eyoma, Sheri Mango. Where are the other class members? Where are the other members? Sorry for what happened in our last session. It couldn't work out. The network was not cooperating. I don't know why. My Subuya, Ma. Anyị agaghị agwụ anyị, anyị agaghị ada mba. We will not be tired. We will not give up. We keep pushing. Anyị kwechiri ekwechi. That is the Igbo spirit. We don't give up. So we come back again in a new session. Thank you for those who are hanging on there. Nake, Sheri Mango. Who else is in the class? Hit the chat. Say Ano m ebe a, or ehihie ọma, or ndewo nu, or kedu nu. Just say something. Let's speak your name and welcome you to the class. No. So let's go because we just have 30 minutes to spend here. We have already wasted a lot of time in our membership channel class that ended abruptly. Carlo Deborah, okay, ndewo na class. Carlo Deborah, okay, maka ndị ọzọ na-abịa na class anyị, ndewo. So what we do here is to drill ourselves for those who are coming in newly. Challenge ourselves to listen to Igbo language spoken to us. We call it listening and comprehension drill. See how you can listen, hear the language spoken to you, whether you can understand it, and then translate it, if possible, to English to show you have a perfect understanding. That is what we do here. We've been doing this for over a year now. So you're welcome. Carlo Deborah, no, na class yanita. Kanye malite. Let us start. Kanye malite. Okay, Sheri Mango, Suibi, no. All right, last week we were talking about settling quarrel between two people who are quarreling. I think it was husband and wife last week. And then we talked about the matter down to what caused the quarrel. Today we are continuing with that pattern. So we're going to talk about what caused that quarrel. Okay, what caused the quarrel? That is where we are beginning with now. We finished what caused the quarrel. Okay, that question was asked last week. Now we want to answer the question. Gịnị butere esemokwu ha abụọ? Gịnị butere esemokwu ha abụọ? That is the first sentence today. Gịnị butere esemokwu ha abụọ? What did I say? Challenge number one. I was talking about quarrel between two people.